What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you guys back. I'm so happy to be back. So welcome. As I'm filming this, you guys might hear some squeaking in the background. That's the stool that I'm sitting on. Hear that? Yeah. I move, it makes noise. Just FYI. So let's address the elephant in the room. I have been loafing. I've been on a hiatus. I've been on a hiatus since May 30th. I haven't produced any content. I haven't done anything YouTube related, makeup YouTube related. I've just been so uninspired. You know what it feels like to be uninspired and like something that you normally do, you're normally very passionate about, and you just have your moments where you're like, put that to the side, I'll revisit, come back later. I really took those months to kind of just refocus, recenter, restart, I needed to find my center. You know what I mean? Like I needed to start over. It's now October. I know it's been a while, okay? But you can't rush art, okay? I'm back now. I have found myself. So today's look is going to be my first look in my Halloween lookbook. Okay. Today we are going to be doing a concept. Her name is Amphibia or Amphibian. She's not a fish. She's not a mermaid, but she's of the sea. You know what I mean? She's a sea creature. She walks among humans. This is what I came up with. I didn't like work out the kinks, like how she can breathe and shit, but if you make it to the end of this video and you find that you really love this look, click the thumbs up button. If you like this look, click the thumbs up button. And my comment section is open. Let's chat. If you hate it, leave me a comment. Tell me how you hate it, why you hate it, what I should have did different. Tell me if you love it. Tell me if you're just... If you want to see more looks, more Halloween looks, then go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification bell. That's that little bell looking icon. Click that if you'd like to get notifications about when I post. Without further ado, let's get into this look, okay? So to begin, I just washed my face with some black soap. You can see my wig coming up. Oh, that's not cute. Moisturize my face. I am not going to prime today, nor am I going to set my face because it's like 11 something, and as soon as I'm done this tutorial, whoosh, I'm washing it right off. So it's really no point in setting my face and priming my face and wasting my products and my money to bring in the concept of her shedding her human skin. I'm going to outline this part of my face, and this will be Amphibia or Amphibian's true form, and the rest of my face will be her human disguise. To begin, I am taking just a regular brow pencil, and I'm going to outline the area that I'm going to section off for Amphibia. No, a little lower. Actually, let's erase that. See, that's what happens when you put oil on your skin. You can just wipe it off of it. We are going to block out this brow. We're going to make this brow disappear. And in order to do that, we need Elmer's glue. I'm just gonna do like 3 layers of Elmer's glue, and I'm gonna dry it down after each layer. You can see like all my imperfections. This is really, oh, we're going to brush this eyebrow up. I'm gonna brush it up, that way when we put the glue on, it lays down flat. We're just gonna start lathering it on our brow. So now I'm just going back in with my spoolie and I'm smoothing this out so that it's laying flat. It's looking a little flaky. I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe because this is the white version and not the purple version. Either way, off camera, I took some alcohol. I cleaned up around the eyebrow because there was a lot of clumpiness. So what I'm gonna do right now is take some setting powder, press it into my eyebrow just to fill in any gap. I'm just gonna take some powder. Really, it doesn't even matter what kind of powder it is. Pressing like really into the eyebrow. I'm gonna take my fingertip and I'm gonna attempt color correcting this before I set it with more powder and then put on the foundation that I want to put on this side. So I'm hoping that this orange cancels out any dark hairs. Right now I'm just blending that out before I go ahead and set that bad boy with some more powder. Moving right along, I'm just gonna take this NYX eyeshadow base in, what is this? It's just white. This is crazy. So I don't know how I missed it, but I thought I was recording this part and I wasn't. So sorry. If you know how to color, then you know how to do what I just did. All I did is what I'm doing right now. I'm taking a beauty sponge and I'm just making sure that this paint pot is evenly distributed. I have this Nicka K, this tiny little makeup palette that I got from the beauty supply store today. Only $2.99. I meant to say eyeshadow palette, not makeup palette. This one right here. And I'm gonna start adding some depth like around the cheekbone area. Like right there. This is basically my contour. I'm taking my Juvia's Place. Oh, I almost dropped my Juvia's Place. My Zulu palette by Juliet. I'm gonna take this shade and see if it adds any depth. See if this does anything. Still looks pretty blue. And in the same Juvia's palette, I'm gonna use this purple shade. Taking my beauty sponge and I'm just patting that around through the colors to blend them together. Taking the same purple that I use for my contours by Juvia's, I'm just going to begin packing her all over the lid. Seriously? Never underestimate the power of using your finger to blend out your makeup. This is the original tool. Hey, it's on there. To go ahead and blend my lashes, I'm going to take this NYX Vivid Brights Colored Liquid Liner. And I'm going to use this as a mascara for my natural lashes to blend it in with the lash. I'm just using a regular white eyeliner pencil, retractable pencil from Ruby Kisses. I'm gonna take the purple and a little bit of the teal blue color, run it underneath the waterline on the outer edge. The last thing I'm gonna do is line my lid with the same liner because I did this and I looked down. It looks incomplete. Okay, I've already gone and done my eyebrow, brow, singular. I'm going to take this brush, this foundation, and I'm going to begin applying it to the toilet paper. Very, very carefully. So now I'm just going to go ahead with my regular foundation routine. I will do that and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I pretty much just went ahead and did the other side of my face how I would normally do my makeup. Nothing crazy. These are the same lash, by the way. I just painted this one green. I took some red shadow and ran it along this tissue because it was white. The white was showing. I'm taking black shadow now. I'm trying to make this look like actual scarring. So guys, don't think that you always have to spend so much in order to get like special effects looks, because I literally did this with Elmer's glue and toilet paper. Like, come on. Ooh. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to pop on my lip. I am going to line under this eye. I'm gonna put on a little bit of blush and a tad bit of highlight. And I will be back with my finished look. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is my finished look. I am now amphibian, okay? Amphibian. I just put on a purple butter gloss by NYX. It is in the shade Gelato. And on top of that, I put a sparkly pigment by the name of, where's the name? I don't know, but it's by NYX. It's called Glitter Brilliance. It's very nice. I just put that on the top. Took my hair back out. I was gonna wet it, but I just straightened my hair yesterday. It took me like 2 hours to straighten my hair, just for me to wet it the next day. I mean, I know we have to suffer for our art, but gosh, I'm so happy with how this turned out. I tried to hide amongst you humans for as long as I could, but as you can see, your true colors always show at the end of the day. I feel like I look crazy, but I also feel amazing. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this look, let me know. Let's chat about it. Subscribe to my channel so that you can see all of my looks in my Halloween lookbook. I don't know how often I'm going to be releasing videos, but I'm going to try to do a couple a week because I'm getting a late start in October. Amphibian. Amphibian. Okay? Thank you so much for sticking through this. I will see y'all in the next one. Mwah.